Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. 1 week from Election Day and new numbers show voter registration is up in Indiana. More than 150,000 voters have registered since the primaries in May. Marion County reported the largest increase in voter registration. A few counties have reported a decrease, however. Jasper County lost the most voters. Blackford County has also reported a drop of a little more than 1% in registrations. Around 4.3 million people are registered to vote in Indiana as of the 22nd. That's compared to right around 4 million in 2000. New technology at Ball State University, but it's not what you think. Newslink Indiana's Jerry Fernandez has more on a new innovation drying up the competition.
If your room is full of dirty clothes and you have no time to wait around for an empty washer, wait no more. Ball State has a new web-based service that will make your life a whole lot easier, not to mention cleaner.
I think it's going to be good. I'm pretty excited. I don't know. Laundry doesn't usually get me all pumped up, but I'm looking forward to this.
So first-time user Alicia Morel tries out the wash alert system. The simple process starts out online. The click of the mouse and you can find out what machines are available. The next step, reserve a machine, and off to the laundry room you go.
A cool option that students have is that they can pay with their Cardinal Cash account using their Ball State ID. Or they can go with the traditional method of simply paying with quarters.
I prefer quarters myself. That's just me.
And after her first wash alert experience, how does Alicia feel about laundry now?
Laundry is definitely a little bit more exciting. There's a little bit of a rush when I get an email, because getting mail is kind of fun. So now whenever I get an email, it says my laundry's done. That's enjoyable.
The program started in August. Alicia wishes she'd known about it earlier.
It's really fun, and it's a really good idea.
The best part? She doesn't have to leave her room.
It's kind of handy to not have to get up and walk and check every time because I'm lazy.
In Muncie, Jerry Fernandez, Newslink, Indiana.
Ball State is the only university in Indiana with the web-based laundry service. Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer?
Thanks, Chris. Through the overnight last night and in the morning hours this morning, we've seen showers continue to be in our forecast. We're going to see them linger away and bring clouds into our forecast, then later in the day clearing. So for this morning, we're seeing 54 degrees as our temperature, once again with those lingering showers. Later on today, we're going to warm up to 66 degrees as our high. Cloudy skies in the morning hours, and then late clearing. Chris?
Thanks, Jennifer. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.